Are you looking for the best electric foot massagers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric foot massagers that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Giantex Foot Massagers Machine Massage for Feet. Designed with 4-foot mats placed at the bottom part that will keep you in a stable condition and not slip off. That means that you will enjoy a fully relaxing massage without using much of your time and even money. It has been made with a wide enough kind of footrests that are wide enough to set your legs on as you get your feet treated. It does not have to choose who uses and who does not use, it is suitable for all family members. Moving on at number 4, we have the Belmint Shiatsu Foot Massager with Heat. What you need now is to experience the joy that is brought along by a massage that has been made to ensure tissue kneading in the best manner. So, don't get worried when you get home and feel like you are tired after that long day at work or even in the field. The machine is user-friendly, in that you can now comfortably set it to the right level that you need and let it serve you. It never leaves any pain unresolved in your feet. At number 3, we have the Miko Shiatsu Foot Massager with Deep-Kneading. Ensure that your tired feet are relieved from the tension of the day and let blood flow. The massager that is here ensures that you get that deep kneading and enjoy shiatsu rolling. The 2 independent foot chambers ensure that work is achieved at the same time so that you get out there walking again without having to wait longer. It can be used while in a relaxation mode like while you are watching. At number 2, we have the Best Choice Products Therapeutic Kneading and Rolling Shiatsu Foot Massagers. This is a relaxing foot pain remedy that has been made to alternate between the 4 pre-programmed massages and the other 3 different modes. It ensures that you get a deep kind of therapeutic massage that will make you feel pretty well in just no minutes. It comes with a wireless remote that you can use to control its power, the speed, and also some massage directions. You will just love how the items work. And finally at number 1, we have the Nekteck Foot Massager with Heat. This is the best awesome food massager built for you to amazingly relax muscles and ease tension. The unit is very safe to use and you can turn on, off manually. It comes with a carry handle and onboard cord ideal for your convenience. This portable massager is a great tool for use in your office after those long hours of sitting or standing. Don't spend a fortune in salon fees, get your massager right away, and work conveniently at your home.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.